Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the best beauty products out there. Today, I've got something that promises to nourish and restore your hair. If you're struggling with dry, brittle strands, this product might just be your new best friend. We're talking about the Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner. Designed to hydrate and protect your hair, it boasts some pretty impressive claims. So does it live up to them? Let's get into it. The Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner comes in a sleek, minimalistic tube that feels luxurious right from the start. This conditioner is formulated to provide deep hydration and nourishment for dry, brittle hair, while also fighting the signs of aging in your strands. It's sulfate-free, which is a big plus for anyone looking to maintain their color or avoid harsh chemicals. The product is infused with caviar extract, a known ingredient in high-end hair care that's packed with fatty acids and proteins to help restore moisture and shine to the hair. Upon using it, I noticed that the texture is thick and creamy, but it spreads easily throughout the hair, providing a silky feel as soon as it hits your strands. You don't need to use a lot to cover your hair, so a little goes a long way. I've tested this conditioner across a few different hair types, from fine, slightly dry hair to thicker, more damaged hair, and the results have been consistently positive. It left my hair feeling smooth and nourished, but without the greasy residue some heavy conditioners can leave behind. Now let's talk about real-world use. I've been incorporating this into my routine for about 2 weeks now, and I've noticed that it works best when left in for a few minutes, allowing the moisturizing ingredients to really sink in. My hair feels softer, more manageable, and much less prone to breakage. The shine is there, but it's not overwhelming, just a natural, healthy glow. When it comes to the pros, this conditioner definitely shines in the hydration department. It provides great moisture without weighing the hair down, which is ideal for anyone with fine or medium hair. The sulfate-free formula is a major selling point, particularly for those with color-treated hair or who are sensitive to sulfates. Another positive is the high-end, natural ingredients. The caviar extract, along with other nourishing ingredients, definitely adds a touch of luxury to your routine. However, if you have very thick or severely damaged hair, you may need a little extra moisture. It's a great everyday conditioner, but it may not be enough for extremely dry hair in need of intense repair. In terms of cons, the price point is something to consider. This is a premium product, and while it delivers quality, it may not fit everyone's budget. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are some solid alternatives out there. But if you have the budget for it, the results do speak for themselves. I didn't experience any irritation or heaviness, but if you're someone who's sensitive to fragrance, you might want to check the ingredient list as it does have a mild scent. As for comparisons, this product stands out because of its anti-aging properties and the use of caviar extract. While there are plenty of moisturizing conditioners available, few include such luxurious ingredients that not only hydrate, but also provide anti-aging benefits. That being said, you could certainly find good moisture-packed conditioners at a lower price point, but they likely won't have the same level of sophistication in terms of ingredients. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy, and I appreciate the sleek design. The conditioner's formula is also thick enough that it doesn't feel like you're wasting product, even with frequent use. As for longevity, I've found that it keeps its effectiveness over time. The hair remains hydrated and manageable, and the texture doesn't degrade even after extended use. Now, as for customer service, I didn't need to reach out directly for any issues, but I have seen positive reviews on Alterna's customer service in the past, so I'm confident that any concerns would be handled well. There's also a solid reputation in the beauty community for the brand's commitment to quality and sustainability, which adds to the overall trust factor. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, brands like Shea Moisture or OGX offer moisturizing conditioners at a lower price. But keep in mind, they won't necessarily come with the anti-aging benefits or the caviar extract that Alterna offers. But for those on a budget, they can still hydrate the hair effectively without breaking the bank. So, is the Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner worth the investment? If you're in the market for a high-end conditioner that nourishes and restores your hair while giving it that healthy glow, then absolutely. It's particularly great for those who want to fight the signs of aging in their hair while maintaining a soft, smooth texture. But if your hair is extremely damaged, or you're simply looking for something more affordable, there are other options out there that could meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. Don't forget to share your experiences with this product in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.